My name is Payal Jadhav, and for Managerial Economics, my presentation topic name is Types and Determinants of Demand. In economic, demand is a quantity of goods and services that will be bought for a given price over a period of a time. Law of a demand: the quantity of a commodity demanded in a given time period increases as its price falls. And ceteris paribus, that is, other thing remain constant or unchanged. Here is one diagram and the table where the price of a goods and demand for a goods. When the price of a goods is 20, then demand is 80. When price is 18, the demand is 90. When price is 16, the demand is 100. It shows when the price of the goods decreases, the demand increases, and when the price increases, the demand decreases. Types of a demand. The first type is direct and the indirect demand. Demand for a sugar is a direct demand, and demand for a sugarcane to make sugar is an indirect demand. Second is derived demand and autonomous demand. Demand for tires derived from demand for cars, and the demand for a washing machine is an autonomous demand. Third type of a demand is durable and non-durable goods demand. Demand for a car, land, appliances is a durable demand, and demand for a light bulb, paper boards, food products are non-durable goods demand. Fourth is price demand, income demand, and cross demand. Demand at alternative prices, it's price demand, and income demand means demand at alternative level of income. Demand for a complementary goods is a cross demand. Fifth type of a demand is firm and industry demand. Demand for a Dove soap, it's a firm demand, and industry demand is demand for a steel in India. Sixth is total market and market segment demand. Demand for a laptop is a total market demand, and demand for a laptops by MBA students only, it's a market segment demand. Seventh type of a demand is joint and composite demand. Demand for petrol and cars jointly, it's a joint demand, where the demand for iron rod for several purposes, it's a composite demand. Now, what are the determinants of a demand? The first determinant of a demand is price of goods. Price and demand are inversely related. Means when the price of the product rises, the demand falls, and when price falls, demand rises. Prices of a related goods. Prices of a substitute and complementary goods, that is tea and coffee. If the price of a tea rises, the consumer prefer coffee, and when coffee raise price, then consumer shifted to the tea. Third is consumer income prices, which is directly related to the demand. 4 is taste, preferences, fashion and habit. If the consumer taste, preferences, fashion and habits changes in it, and it is also affect the demand. Fifth determinant of a demand is population. Changes in a total population also change the demand. If the population increases, then the demand will also increases, and when the population is decreases, then demand also decreases. Sixth is money circulation. If there is a higher the money circulation, higher the demand, and lower the money circulation, lower the demand. Seventh is value of a money. Rise or fall in the value of a money, there may be changes in the relative price of the different goods and their demand. Eighth is weather condition. Weather is also an important factor that determines the demand for a certain goods. Ninth is advertisement and salesmanship. Proper advertisement and sales can rise the demand. Tenth is consumer future price expectations. If consumer think there will be rise in the price in future, then he will buy more in a present. Their demand affects. Next determinant is government policies. Higher tax, then price of a product also high and vice versa. 12th is credit facility. More credit facilities are more will be demand for the product. 13 is multiplicity of uses of goods. If goods are uses for a multiple reason, then demand will be more. So these are the determinants and types of the demand. Thank you.